Scientific studies also show that creative activities help reduce stress hormones inside the body. Crafting improves focus and mindfulness. It helps people feel calm and emotionally, and it can even reduce feeling of sadness and loneliness. That is why many therapists encourage art and craft activities for mental relaxation. Because creativity heals silently. One evening, a young girl visited Sophia. No, I want to tell you some other things. There are days when the mind becomes too noisy, too many thoughts, too much stress, too much pressure from life. And sometimes people forget how to feel calm. But far away from busy roads and loud screens, there was a young artist who discovered peace in the simplest things on earth. Clouds in the sky and tiny pebbles beneath her feet. Every morning, she walked quietly beside a river carrying a small wooden basket in her hand. She searched for smooth little stone round pebbles, tiny white ones, soft grey ones, shaped by nature over many years. To most people, they looked ordinary, but to her, they looked like sleeping pieces of art waiting to wake up. Above her, the soft clouds floated slowly across the sky, and while watching them move peacefully, she realized something important. Nature never rushes. Clouds move slowly, river flows gently, pebbles are shaped patiently over time. And maybe human hearts also need softness and patience to heal. That day she carried the pebbles home and placed them in old wooden board. Then she began creating. One pebble became a tiny bird, another became a mountain, a few stones together became a peaceful family holding hands beneath painted clouds. And while her hands moved slowly, her breathing became softer, her thoughts became quieter, her heart finally felt light again. That is the hidden beauty of pebble art. Pebble crafting is more than decoration, it is peaceful therapy for the soul. The smooth texture of stone naturally relaxes the human mind. Teaching natural materials help people feel grounded and emotionally calm. And when creativity combines with nature, something magical happens inside the heart. Many people today feel mentally exhausted. Too much scrolling, too much rushing, too much worries. But creative hobbies like pebble art help the brain slow down naturally. When people arrange stone carefully, paint gentle clouds, or design peaceful scenes, their minds enter a calm state similar to meditation. This is why art therapy is becoming most popular around the world, because creativity heals silently. The artists continued making pebble clouds art every evening. Sometimes she painted dreamy skies with floating white clouds, sometimes she glued tiny pebbles into shapes of birds flying freely, and sometimes she created simple scenes of families sitting beneath soft cloudy sky. Every artwork carries emotion, not expensive materials, not perfect designs, only peace. And somehow people could feel the peace immediately when they looked at her creation. One visitor once asked her, "Why do your pebble craft feel so calming?" She smiled gently and answered, "Because nature leaves peace inside everything it creates." And it was true. Pebbles spent years resting in rivers, oceans, and mountains. Clouds float silently above the world every day without asking for attention. Nature teaches calmness without speaking. That is why natural crafts feel comforting inside homes. Pebble art brings earthy energy. Cloud painting creates softness and imagination. Together they create emotional warmth. Scientific studies also show that creativity activities help reduce anxiety and stress. Crafting improves concentration and emotional balance. It relaxes the nervous system and it helps the brain focus on peaceful, repetitive movement instead of negative thoughts. Even simple activities like painting in stone and arranging pebbles can improve emotional wellness. And perhaps the most beautiful things about pebble art is this: every stone is different. No pebble is perfectly identical. Some are rough, some are smooth, some are cracked, yet together they create beautiful art. People are like that too. Nobody is perfect. One rainy afternoon, the artist invited a tired young boy into her tiny studio. The boy looked sad and emotionally distant. Instead of asking many questions, she simply placed pebble, paints, and brushes in front of him. "Create the sky you wish to live under," she said softly. The boy sat quietly. At first, he painted dark gray clouds. I want to tell you a story about pebble and benefits of pebble art and craft. Benefits of craft. Studies shows that creative crafting activities can help improve mental wellness. Crafting may reduce overthinking, improve focus, and even help with feelings of loneliness. When someone creates something with love, the brain releases happy chemicals that support relaxation and comfort. And the most beautiful things, you do not need expensive materials, only imagination, a few colorful pebbles, painting colors, some glue, some take some board, board, wooden board, and a peaceful moment for yourself. Every woman continued making craft every evening. Soon her small hobby turned into wall decor, the gifts for neighbors, and you can create your online business. When every evening after a city became quiet, I want to tell you a story now. Every evening after the city became quiet, a woman named Elena walked alone beside the river. No music, no phone, no noise, only the sound of water and the tiny pebbles beneath her shoes. People thought she collected stone for decorations, but the truth was different. She collected peace. Life had no been easy for Elena. Too many sleepless nights, too many worries hidden behind fake smiles. Her mind felt crowded all the time. One day, while sitting near the river, she picked up a tiny white pebble. It was smooth, calm, simple, and somehow holding that little sum made her feel lighter. So she brought it home. Then another and another. Soon, jars filled with pebbles covered her small apartment. One cold winter night during a power outage, Alina lit a candle and set it beside the window. The room was silent. Without thinking too much, she placed few pebbles onto the old wooden frame. One looked like a bird, another looked like a mother holding a child. Slowly she glued them down. Hour passed quietly and something beautiful happened for the first time in a long while. Her thoughts stopped racing. Pebble crafts have a calming effect on the human mind. The slow process of selecting shapes, arranging stones, and creating natural artwork help reduce mental stress. Creative crafting encourages mindfulness. It allows the brain to focus gently on the present moment instead of fear, anxiety, or overthinking. This is why so many people find peace in handmade art, especially art made from nature. Alina continued creating pebble art every night. She made stone family portraits, pebble birds on branches, rustic wall hanging, nature inspired shadow boxes, peaceful handmade gifts. Each artwork carried emotions, not loud emotions, quiet emotions, the kind that heals silently inside of yourself. Soon friends started visiting the apartment. They noticed something special. The room felt calm, warm light, natural texture, soft handmade pebble art hanging on the walls. One friend asked, "How do your creations feel so peaceful?" Emily smiled softly. Every pebble held a story. One friend asked, "How do your crafts feel so peaceful?" And Alina said softly, because every stone once survived its charms. Its charm.